Developing the skill to make spontaneous jokes involves a combination of creativity, quick thinking, and understanding the dynamics of humor. Here are some tips to help you become better at making spontaneous jokes. Observe and listen. Pay close attention to the world around you. Observing people, situations, and everyday occurrences can provide inspiration for spontaneous jokes. Listen to conversations and pick up on the subtleties and nuances that can be turned into humor. Understand timing. Timing is crucial in comedy. Learn to recognize the right moments to deliver a joke. Pauses, pacing, and the element of surprise are essential components of well-timed humor. Practice active imagination. Cultivate a vivid imagination and the ability to see the humorous side of ordinary things. Challenge yourself to find alternative, unexpected, or absurd perspectives on situations. Study comedic techniques. Analyze the techniques used by skilled comedians. Pay attention to how they structure jokes, use wordplay, create punchlines, and engage with their audience. Watch stand-up comedy, sitcoms, and humorous movies to gain insights. Embrace wordplay, puns, and clever language use can be effective tools for spontaneous humor. Experiment with playing with words, double meanings, and linguistic twists. Be observant of social dynamics. Understanding social dynamics can help you create jokes that resonate with others. Be aware of cultural references, social norms, and shared experiences that people can relate to. Practice quick thinking. Train your mind to think on your feet. Engage in activities that require quick thinking, such as improv comedy or brainstorming sessions. This can help you become more agile in generating humorous responses. Be willing to laugh at yourself. Self-deprecating humor can be relatable and endearing. Don't take yourself too seriously, and be open to making jokes at your own expense when appropriate. Experiment with different styles of humor. Explore different styles of humor, such as satire, irony, sarcasm, or slapstick. Experimenting with various comedic styles can help you find what resonates best with your own sense of humor and the audience's. Stay positive and relaxed. A positive mindset and a relaxed demeanor can enhance your ability to be spontaneously funny. Stress and tension can hinder creativity, so try to stay calm and open-minded. Learn from mistakes. Not every joke will land, and that's okay. Learn from your experiences, including the ones that didn't generate laughter. Analyze what worked and what didn't, and use that knowledge to refine your comedic skills. Remember that humor is subjective, and what works in one situation may not work in another. Practice, observation, and a willingness to take risks can contribute to your development as someone who can make spontaneous jokes.